Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and today I'm sharing a Dollar Tree haul. So you guys know I'm no stranger to the Dollar Tree and I've been in there a lot lately. So I'm going to share some household and beauty items that I'm finding, and then we'll get into some fun little items as well, some decor. So first off, and I had to use it already today, so I thought I have to sit down and share this haul with you guys, is the Spick and Span Lavender. I really like the way this one smells, and you can't beat the price, right? I've shared this 10, 20 times. These are the dishwasher tablets that I use exclusively. They do a wonderful job. I'm super picky, and now this is all I use. So I picked up quite a few bags. Something that I share a lot about is our toilet cleaner. I always pick these up from the Dollar Tree and just go to town for a couple weeks on the toilets, and again, you can't beat the price. Something I have not tried and I'm excited to see how it works is this aerosol shower cleaner. Now, something I should share with you is I'm a nurse and I am a fan of bleach, so I like strong cleaners, and I know a lot of people will go with a more natural cleaner, but I love the smell of bleach. So I'm gonna try this. It always kind of interests me when things come in aerosol cans because it reminds me of that oven cleaner. And one of my favorite cleaners that very much gives off that smell and is very strong, but it just works, is this one. And I have tried this a few times. This is the Super Oxygen Bathroom Cleaner. Now it comes in citrus scent. Last time it didn't, so we'll give that a try. This stuff is strong, so if you have breathing issues or you just like to stay away from chemicals, this is not for you. But for me, I love it. It's very strong, and I've picked it up time and again. Now some beauty items. Some new things that I wanted to give a try are these Dermasul body wash. So you guys are probably familiar with that lotion brand. It's been at Dollar Tree for quite a while, but this is a really nice size body wash, and that is a brand name, so 15 ounces. These, I think I looked up on Amazon, were like $7, so I can always use some body wash. This one, it's not showing up because it's a bright sunny day, but it is in cool melon scent. They also had a cherry scent, and both of them were good. I just preferred this one, so I picked up 2 of those to give them a try. Something else that was new at my store, I picked up a couple of, are these. Now they have bath bombs there pretty regularly from Bolero, but these are shower tablets. So it says, all that glitz shower steamers, turn your shower into a relaxing experience, and it's pomegranate and green tea. So I picked up 2. I'm gonna give one a try and then probably set one aside for the next time we need to put together any kind of little birthday gift. Something I love to get at the Dollar Tree is their face wipes. And I love Bolero. I have sensitive skin and these do not bother me. I really do like this scent. I know that they've come out with a few new scents since then, but I really like these, and when I saw them on the shelf, I picked up quite a few in both the lavender one, and this one is the coconut. There are a few more that I picked up that are new to me, so let me know down below if you've tried them and you like them. This one, again, is Bolero, but it's the pink sea salt and rose water, and I like the smell of that. And then this one, which is coconut water, and again, these ones are also Bolero. I love this handy dandy little closure. And then something that it says, compare to Simple. The brand Simple are the Sassy and Chic Sensitive Skin Cleansing Towelettes, and it says it removes makeup. So this is what it looks like. It says compare to Simple right there, up there at the top. And you get 25, and in here you get 30. So giving them all a try. Now, something you guys know I always pick up at the Dollar Tree toothpaste. I get all of our toothpaste from there. I try to buy them in as many packages, colors, flavors as I can find so that there's no arguing and that everybody has their own. Something I've been using for a very long time, and it was just time to replace, was this little travel dressing container. This is for salad dressing, but I use mine for hand lotion. I have large hand lotion bottles in the house, and I like to keep something small like this in my car, especially heading into fall and winter, dry skin, and my hands are just always dry. So I fill this up with my name brand lotion, and then I just can carry it around in the car very easily or in my purse. And it's very easy to fill because it has a large spout. You can really squeeze it when you get down to just the last bit, wash it and refill it. Some new finds for me in the beauty aisles were these returning finds, I should say. Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polishes. So they put these out every few months or so, but they were fully stocked, and these are new colors to me. This one's peach. Like if I saw it on a shelf, I would say it's peach, and it's called Baby Blush. And it's like a nude, but that's what my daughter's allowed to wear. And then this one, it's more of a pink tone, and this one's called Pacific Dawn. I really like that one. Those will both go to her. And speaking of my daughter, we have a birthday around the corner, and so some items were in order, and I found this really cute hot pink wrapping paper, so I picked that up. Walmart actually has some really cute leopard print paper plates, and we don't do birthday parties with like friends and big celebrations often, but we try to have fun, just the 5 of us, and make it a big deal. So we decorate and all that sort of thing. Well, I had found leopard print plates at Walmart, and they're adorable. So I thought leopard print with some hot pink would be really cute. So I did at Walmart pick up a tablecloth in hot pink, and then the leopard plates, and I think I got black napkins. But playing off of those colors and some gold, I want to do some gold. They have these packs of 25 latex balloons at Dollar Tree, and normally I wouldn't open the balloons to show you guys because a balloon's a balloon, but these come in a few different colors, and this one, when you blow it up, looks gold. So I'm thinking gold and white, and then the pink, and then I got a pack of the black. So cute. And then I have some different little hanging streamer tassel garlands that are gold, and I want to break it up and add the pink. So I got a couple of these at Dollar Tree that are just the hot pink. So I'll just kind of push those and put the hot pink in between. And those I had gotten at the 99-cent store. I have a few little ideas for her cake, so I picked these up, and then we'll see if that works out. If it does, I'll share it over on Instagram. Something I always like to pick up to have on hand, she's got a party to go to this weekend, are things like M&Ms and gummy bears, because it's just easy. Throw some gum and candy in a bag with a gift card, and teenagers are very happy with that. And then speaking of parties, we have lots of birthdays in our life, and I was really surprised to see these back at Dollar Tree. They were there, I want to say before Christmas time, and they are the Lego tape. It's called Build Bonanza. This is an As Seen on TV product, and again, this is a return find, and these are new colors for my store. So I did pick one of them up. I still have, I think, one left, and those are just great. You can, you know, connect your Legos to it and go to town, play with it, and that way if it doesn't work out long term, it was $1 and it was a good time. Some more birthday goodies I picked up are the Stormtrooper keychain So this is a doodle and go activity. It comes with the marker and you can go ahead and draw on your stormtrooper, and it's kind of plush. And then I picked up these 2 little board books. My kids are so grown up. My son's gonna be a senior. Well, he's a senior. But I still have little people in my life, so I like to pick up things like this. I thought this one was adorable. It's got little kitty cats and it's pink and purple. And I think I shared these in a shop with me. They're not very long, but I was totally sold on the images. And then actually to go along with those, some new things. These are definitely, in my mind, imitation Little Pet Shop, are these little dogs. And how cute is she? And then I also got it in the poodle. I'm such a kid. I just want to open them up and play. They're not even for me. Something I would recommend picking up now if you're thinking ahead for December. Christmas is really just a couple months away, and stockings. We've tried it out and it still works, and everybody in my family likes it. It's this. So it's called a motion spiral. You just put it on your wrist and it kind of slinkies up and down your wrist, and it says for ages 3 and up. I just think it's a great deal. They sell these at Walmart for $4 and it's the same exact thing. And like I said, we've had ours, I want to say a year, and it's still together. So another thing that I found that I thought was really fun is just one of these novelty balls. So it's kind of a stress reliever, but it has those gel balls in it like you can find in the floral section when you squeeze it. Now, some decor. And first off, I have to give a shout out to my friend, Eclectic Kristen. I love that girl. She loves home decor. If you don't know her, I'll have her channel pinned in a comment down below. Last year, she made a DIY using these. I think she got hers at Walmart, but I found these at the Dollar Tree. So I want to make the ornament that she made, which is a pair of skis crisscross. And I want to do that because I have so much wood in my home. I want to have that wood tone in my tree. And so she just got 2 incense burners and she put them together. I think she put some greenery here, but so super cute and easy. So I picked up 6 of these incense burners to go ahead and recreate her DIY. I loved it, and this year I definitely want to do it. More decor. So good job, Dollar Tree. And I shared this in a shop with me. I did pick one up. I have plans to change it up. I was thinking definitely, let's just do it together. Let's take this raffia off. The raffia, Dollar Tree, no. No, no, no. The other thing is sometimes it sticks to the hot glue and ruins the image, like I just did. But what I'm gonna do is put a probably black and white gingham bow there, and then hot glue some gingham ribbon around the edge. Just switch it up a little bit and it will definitely look higher end. Speaking of ribbon, they had some black satin ribbon, and I picked it up to have on hand for DIYs with Halloween around the corner. And really good job, Dollar Tree. These velvety pumpkins are great. Now, Michael's has them and they're a whole lot bigger. They're like 4 times the size. This is just a real creamy white that I love so much. And then these. So this is definitely one of my favorite colors this fall. It's sort of a champagne brown color. I really love this one. So I was able to find 2. I heard a lot of people were having a hard time finding them, and I can see why. It's because they're so pretty. Some floral, lastly, that I've been loving what they did this year is some faux wheat. So this has a really nice heavy plastic look and feel to it. So not as cheap looking as we are, you know, sometimes find at the Dollar Tree. And then I really liked these. These are the cat's tails, and they did them in orange. I just love this color this year. And so they have hydrangeas for fall. They have a few different kinds in the same color. They had these orange hydrangeas, and they have them in this version, which I love and think looks very nice. And they had a different version with some burlap to them, and those look a little bit lighter in color because of the burlap in them. But these, I was so happy. I think I found 2 or 3, maybe even 4 stems. I love those. Something else I love, this is called a hop bush, and they have this in a few different colors. And they're just kind of a creamy white flower that, I don't know, I just really liked the look of. So I picked up a few of those. And I have a wreath that I bought on clearance a few years back, and I just kind of want to update it. So I'm going to take out some of that floral, add in some from the Dollar Tree, make a bow, some ribbon, and call it done. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you as always for choosing to spend this time with me. I always appreciate hearing from you guys in the comments below. Thank you again so much for all your support. We're at 45,000 subscribers. I just did a giveaway. It's gonna be time before we know it for another, so I wanna make sure that you guys know how much I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.